Hi, today I want us to draft this part that was modeled in SolidWorks Model Mania of 2023, and these are the 2D drawings. It had section 1 and section 2. After section 1, after modeling this part, we're going to change to form section 2. This is section 2. Therefore, let's have fun and model this part that was modeled in Model Mania 2023. I'm starting a new part studio by the name 2023 Model Mania. Let's first for understand our 2D drawings. As you can see, always start with a view where you can draw many geometry. This one is the top view, you can see here, and this one is the side view. When you cut section view, you see this. Therefore, this height, the height is 30 because you can see section view here is an A. Then for clarity, on this section here, you can see we have fillets, meaning these fillets are inside. Therefore, we are going to start by this by modeling this this view. Take a screenshot, and I'm going to move that 2D drawings into another screen. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to start on a top view, and I have two circles here. Dimension is one is 42, the other one is 50. Okay, I'm going to draw a line like that, another line here like that. This will be vertical for construction, and this line, this point, oops, this point and this point to be symmetry. Therefore, dimension of this line from this point to this line is 1008. Therefore, this one and this to be tangent, hide planes. Then you have 42.5 here, 42.5 with a height of 30. And then this to be 15, these two to be parallel, this one to be 15, and we can extrude this by, we said 30, that is a symmetry. Then we have a fillet here, full out like that. Then this face we have a cutout like that. On this point here to be horizontal, this point to touch. Dimension is to be 30, and this to be 14. Okay, then we can extrude, remove up to face, up to this face. Okay, we are removing this sketch up to face, then the face is this face, and we are merging by part 1. As you can see, I don't understand why I am getting an error here, because let me try again here. First, for you can disable imprint so that you can only select whatever is needed, remove, but I want up to face, up to this face. Doesn't allow because now this face is it is already merged. Okay, The best thing you can do about it is I want to go back here. I wanted to illustrate how you can handle that. I want to go back here. On this extrude one, I want you to deselect, then select this only. Extrude again, show your sketch here. I want you to extrude these two bodies differently for you to solve that issue. Therefore, you don't add, you say a new, so that you have two new bodies. You can fill it as usual. Now the fillet have to redo again. Yeah, like that. First, second, then this one here. Then on this one here, sketch, of course you have to edit. Then it is missing a plane because it is this face, like that. Edit, remove this coincident here, remove all these guys. Okay, therefore this one is movable. You can drop a point at the midpoint, then this point to be coincident, like that. There, now you can extrude, remove. You can see now. This is what I wanted now, but it wasn't able to select this face. Then you can combine. You can now boolean. Look for boolean. Combine these two to be one body. You can use that method if that doesn't work. Next, I want to show the sketch here because I want to go to the front plane, sketch, normal. I did a line like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Then this point, then if you use this point for construction, I want this point and this point to be coincident. Okay, and this to be horizontal. Then this point to be coincident. Dimension of this to be 25. Then this and this to be tangent. Yeah, and we can extrude up to 30. Extrude this one 30, symmetry, the new. Okay, boom. Hide sketches here. This face, I want to replace this face with this for them to merge to be one body. Okay, then you can go back to boolean, this to this. Then we need a hole. Now, yeah, on this one we need these two holes here. Therefore we need a hole on this face here. First, let me start by this face. I need 6.6 through all by 11 up to 6. Yeah, that's what I need there. Another one here, like that. Then this point here we have a bolt nut shape. Therefore I need this from the drawing, there's a hex that to be horizontal, dimension to be 11, from this point to this point to be 11. We can extrude up to 6, remove. Okay, lastly on this face, normal 2, go to now draw a corner rectangle like that. I like using a center line here to make my rectangle horizontal symmetrical. This to be 2. Yeah, you can redefine if you want. Remove up to all. Yeah, you have to edit this one here up to through all, like that. Lastly, we need how to fill it by 2 mm. This face, this face, this face here, this face. But now you see something I'll explain later. This face, this one here. this edge. But now this edge doesn't allow. Now always fill it again. And now select this face. Not face, do the edge. Yeah, we can do the face by the way. Do this face. And do this face. Yeah, like that. This edge. Okay, this edge doesn't allow. Let's do edges here. Do this edge. Deselect allow overflow. This edge. This edge. Okay, again. The fillet. This one here. And this one here. Yeah. As you can see now on my cutout, we have a fillet here. What we can do, interchange that cutout. Now it disappears. All these fillets here, give them appearance like that. Give your body appearance. Yeah, and you can see we have achieved. Some fillets are missing here. Fillet missing here, like that, like that. Make sure you don't miss fillets. Yeah, you can assign material and check the mask properties. You can see we have achieved modeling this part. Yeah, here it is. Next is now to modify. We need 45 here, 73, 19 and 8. We need a slot here instead of a hole. 45 and 73. Therefore, for you can save a version here. You can do a version, then continue to the next one. Roll back. You can duplicate also. If you want to retain this part, you can duplicate this part here. You can duplicate. Therefore, you roll back here, roll to here. Show the sketch here. The first thing we need is to edit the sketch. First of all, we need to delete this dimension here, delete this horizontal relation, then delete this vertical relation so that we can move like this. Then we need our center line here so that we can define our angle, which is 45. 45 here. Therefore, this and this to be perpendicular, this one to be 73. Done. But now extrude as usual. You can see fillet now. Oh, it's still there. Our cutout is still there. Boolean done. Sketch 3 is extrude 4. Yeah, still there. Done with the hole. But now this hole is changing. Therefore, we have to sketch this hole from scratch. Therefore, edit and remove this one here. Remove this and sketch on this face. I need to sketch. Let me do a line. Like that to be tangent. This and this to be concentric. Checking dimension here. This to be 19. From this one here to this one here to be 19. What else? We have okay, another one here like that. Let me do a line here like that, like that, like that, like that. This and this to be tangent, 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 concentric, concentric. 3.3 because it is a 6. 3.3 and 18. 8. Yeah, this and this to be equal. Yeah, then we can extrude. You can select the middle section here. You remove through all, show the sketch again. The section here, extrude up to 6, reverse, remove, like that. Boom, done. You can now fit. Continue, sketch 4, still there, that's fine. You can now go back to add. You can see we have modified our part to be similar to the second 2D drawings. You can see this one here, similar to this. Okay, that's how you model that part in Onshape for the SolidWorks Model Mania for 2023. I'll do for the next video. I'll model 2022. Thank you. Stay tuned for more.